Today I'm showing you my favorite DIY hair growth treatment for hair growth and also retaining that growth. So stick around. Hey, my name's Tara Marie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'm showing you step by step how to create your DIY hair growth treatment with rice water. I'll be showing you two different ways to do it. We have the regular way and then we also have the fermented way. Different people have their own preference, so I wanted to show both. But first I want to tell you a little bit about the benefits of rice water. So rice water has amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants, which is super great for your hair, and this is all released in the water when we soak the rice. And I have a little bit of notes here. So some of the benefits: it detangles the hair, makes your hair smoother, it increases the shine, makes it stronger, and of course the purpose of this video, it makes it grow long. So stick around, I'm going to show you step by step on how I create this rice water hair growth treatment. So to start off, I'm just going to take my rice. You can use any kind of rice that you want to use. I like to do the measurement where it's every 2 tablespoons of rice to every cup of water. So I'm going to do 2 cups of that. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop out 4 tablespoons of rice. And as you can see, I'm like spilling rice all over. So I just got like a little half tablespoon just so that I can make up for any rice that I lost in the sink. And then first, I'm going to go ahead and wash this rice because you don't want any of the dirt or dust or whatever else may be on them things from the factory. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my hands to give it a little wash. And you can wash it. I'm just going to wash it once, but you can wash it twice. I'll do it twice if I'm going to eat it, but I feel like once is fine for this. And you can use a colander to strain it, but I'm pretty good with straining with my hands. I feel like I see the same thing. So I'm just going to grab it and strain all the water out, not letting any of the rice fall through my hands. And after that, you have nicely washed, beautiful rice. And we can go ahead and move on with our hair treatment. So I'm going to grab my measuring cup, and like I said, every cup of rice to every 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up 2 cups and pour it in there. And as you can see, the water is still cloudy, and those are all the nutrients coming out, those amino acids, the vitamins E and B that I was talking about, and those antioxidants. And as the rice begins to sit in the water, it'll continue to do that. And the first way, you can just let it set, and I went ahead and put my lid on here. For the first way is 30 minutes. The second way is to let it ferment for about 24 hours, and I'll explain more about that now. For the fermented version of the rice water, it does get a little bit smelly. So to help with the smells, I do have some essential oils here. I have eucalyptus, lemongrass, and lavender. And you can pick this up I got mine at TJ Maxx, but you can pick this up at Target or pretty much any store like TJ Maxx if you want to do it like me. I think for mine, I'm going to go ahead and use my lavender for today. And go ahead and tilt this back down. So for mine, I'm going to put quite a few drops. And then I'm going to just place my lid back on here and let this set overnight. And then the next day, it'll be great for use. So my hair is pretty long, and rice water is something that I like to do to keep my hair nice and strong. To give you a little bit of an idea on my growth, my hair is pretty much the length of my arm. So I would say that this is pretty good for keeping your hair healthy, which is also super important for length retention. So your hair grows every day, but a lot of people see breakage, which makes it look like their hair isn't growing when really their hair just isn't healthy enough to retain the growth that their hair is doing. And then after it gets to a certain weight, it'll break off. So doing this rice water will also help your hair strengthen, and pairing it with the proper wash and grow routine, the proper curly hair routine, keeping it moisturized without putting too many oils, because applying too many oils can prevent the hair from absorbing your more cream-based moisturizing products and actually do a little bit more harm than good. So with oils, I like to just apply it usually on when my hair starts to get a little bit dry, put a little bit in between my hand and smooth it over and scrunch it in. But for day one, I definitely don't apply the oils because I get plenty of moisture from my cream products and my other styling products. So I try to shy away from it from that. But getting to the next part of this, showing you how I like to use the rice water treatment. So I can either use it in a spritzer bottle as a scalp treatment, so you can use it as like a deep conditioning scalp treatment, and this is a leftover like Lush bottle that I'm using, but you can take this and just spray it, and of course fill it with your rice water, but just go ahead and give yourself a couple of spritzes for just a little rejuvenation in the scalp. But my absolute favorite way to do it is to do it in a rinse. So after I shampoo and condition my hair, I'll go ahead and take the fermented rice water mix that's currently sitting on my countertop fermenting right now, and I'll go ahead and pour it all through my hair after I deep condition, because I deep condition once a week as well, to rinse, and I leave it in there. I don't rinse out the rice water, and then I'll go ahead and apply the rest of my products as I usually do with my curly hair routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something today about rice water and how to make it properly, how to make it smell good, and things like that. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday. And for my social fam, say hi to me on my Instagram at Beauty by Tara Marie. I'll have all of my links to my socials in my description box. I am going to be doing more hair care videos over the upcoming weeks because I want to take a little bit of a break from my makeup tutorials to add a little bit of variety to my channel. So join the Tara Squad. It's free. All you gotta do is move your mouse like right there. Click it, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.